All right, so good morning, everyone. My name is Banks, and I'm your lead analyst for Volatility Deals. Yesterday during the live session, I said our overall direction was basically aiming for buy possibilities, and that was like pretty much what happened. Now, first of all, go on the 4-hour time frame to see where market is headed. Now, for today, I think we might have a bit of sales coming in. First off, we have this zone that is here, right? So this area that is here shows that okay, market created this high, and then there's a bit of consolidation. Then we have this area. So now that area, if we drag it like this, it could be a likelihood of a reversal around here for major sell opportunities. But nonetheless, it's still going to be a sell to buy move where we're expecting a case scenario where market creates a short and probably, sorry, market creates a short and probably short lower, maybe into something around here, and then go back. So at the end of the day, we're still going to be having an area or a zone that is being influenced here, pretty much. So something like that. So what we're looking at now is possibility for sales, and at the end of the day, it's just going to push it down to an area where the buy continuations will happen. So it's more like giving a sell to buy buyers. Now let's look at other pairs basically. So for the other pairs, we have USD JPY that just hit full TP. So USD JPY full TP hit yesterday for UJ. As you guys can see, the analysis was done and it was shared across like all our platforms. And now, full TP hit the 39 pip stop loss, pretty much. So for me, it's either we have a continuation of the sales for UJ, which is something like this. The way market already do, but from here, you might try to short a bit from there, and then go back up into this area. And then we'll have another down price. So either that, giving us a continuation of the sell bias, either that or market breaks below this area and continues to dump. Either way, there's still a possibility for the continuation of the USD JPY sales. Now, aside from the USD JPY, then we have USD card. Now, for me, I honestly feel like I think USD card should have been closed at break even right now because it's been revolving in profit and has been around here for the longest. So it has been around here for the longest. So if you ask me on honesty, USD JPY sales are possible, but then we've had like a lot of market manipulations here and there. And then for USD JPY too, USD JPY buys are actually visible. But the only problem with that is there's been like a bit of consolidation here and there, like around here where market pushed down price and all of that. So there are different consolidation at different zones, but then um in the midst of that consolidation, it was still the buys that we did our analysis for because we expected the market will push down price into this area on the 4-hour, and then by of which it did, he actually pushed up price all the way here, giving us about 70 something pips, and then later came back down, went back up again into this area. So let's look at EUR JPY, nothing visible. DXY, nothing visible. AED USD. So this is our entry for AED USD. It's yet to activate. Pretty much, we're still looking at market pushing up price into this area, and AED USD giving us some good sell opportunities. All right, and that's like pretty much it. So AED JPY, do we have something that we might want to take? Mm, in all honesty, I think I can see something here. And that will be this is not a trade that is 100% guaranteed, but then we're going to touch this high. So the market, you can expect a case stop like this. Now, for me, this trade, I'm willing to see how it plays out. Now, you might just reduce your risk on it. So this is the entry I'm looking at for this one, and it's something like this. So this is the entry I was looking at for ADJ right now. This trade is not 100% like, but then I want to see how it plays out. So you can decide to set your sell limit. AUSD. AUSD buys are already played out here. So now that brings us to synthetics. Let's go. Let me stop sharing. Right, if you can see my screen here, just let me know, guys. It's very important. Are we good to go? All right. So for synthetics, we sent trades yesterday into our VVIP and also our Deriv signal, and then we're able to get massive movement. And then we had about 90 pips plus secured on we had about 90 pips plus secured on volatility 10 1s for the sales. Now for me, I think the sales are a bit exhausted. it will continue, but market must create a continuation. Market must create a buy move, then create a continuation all the way to the downside. So for me, volatility 10 is sales will still happen, but we have to chill a bit for it to basically just create some pullbacks. Now, but you don't have anything to worry about. All the trades will still be sent into the Forex signal and derive, and most of the trades will be sent to the VVIP with explanations. So this is the what's it called? This is volatility 10 index. So we marked our PY for sales above already, and which is this area that will basically set out. So this zone that is here, you have a high support, the high. So we're sort of waiting for markets to push your price back into this area, and then we have a continuation of like the same momentum. Now, nothing is 100% guaranteed, but then it's worth giving a try, if you ask me. Now, if we look at volatility 25 1S, sort of moving down into the area where we were expecting the buys. So I think it's slowly, approaching that POI where we can look at 25 1S buy opportunities. So, around like 66 to 519 is like the area that we're looking at for like the buys. But I advise you to like reduce your risk and you're not going to be risking too much so that you don't get burnt out. But then it's looking like an area where we can have a reversal. But anything that makes you have a break below that area, then is continuation of the sales. And that brings us basically to the end of the analysis for today. So now it's it's for us to start trading. So all of the trades will basically be sent into the Forex signal, the derivative signal, and most of them will be sent to more trades, and all of that will be sent to like the VVIP. So guys, it's another day for you to execute, apply the layering strategy, and I want to see you at the top. I pray you grow and excel, and don't forget to take calculated risks. Ensure you dedicate a lot of time to the charts, and ensure that the chart pays you. Take care of yourself, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.